and how meditation was capable of actually changing my life personally. I was able to stop all my bad habits. I was able to replace those bad habits with healthy habits, and that's what I share a lot on this channel. So if you like learning about more healthy habits to also be in more energetic balance with your mind, body, and soul, and also with your nutritional needs, make sure, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. So I've been able to replace those bad habits with more healthier habits. It has made me more conscious of what are my distractions in my life, letting go of those distractions, being on the path of alignment. I'm more focused. I have more clarity to what my purpose is on life, and that is by taking actions towards my goals. So the more goals that I'm reaching, that I'm setting for myself, it's bringing you on your path to your life purpose. Also, meditation has helped me regulate my emotions better, have better interpersonal skills with relationships around me, being able to communicate better. I've been less reactive. So I've been able to be more conscious of my delivery, especially me being a Sagittarius. I'm a type of person, I like to be straightforward and direct. It's like when something's on my mind and I'm like passionate about it and it's bothering me, I'm the type of person like, I need to let that person know everything I'm feeling. They need to know now. So meditation has helped me been like, okay, you need to chill out. You know, maybe this is not the right time. You don't know what that person might be going through too. So it helped me be more emotionally balanced to be capable to choose the right time to express myself in a more receptive way to other individuals, and also make sure that it's receptive also on a time that they're capable of also receiving it in the right way, because you never know what somebody else might be going through. Although I might be feeling like, okay, I want to express everything to this person, you never know what other people might be going through in their days. So it helps you better read their energy and also be able to deliver information in a more peaceful way as well. Meditation has also helped me also solve past trauma and provide me like with really deep healing with things that I was dealing with in my past. So just so many benefits. It has changed everything about my life around, and I'm just so grateful for all of those benefits, and that's like one of the reasons why I'm sharing this video today with you too. Thank you for watching. Make sure to check out the entire episode, How to Meditate for Positivity and Clarity, which will play next. Peace and divine blessings.